Today, we are playing Driveway Labyrinth. My name is Tom. I work with the five senses, with movement and imagination. Embodied Learning at Home series is for all the parents who are stuck at home with their young children in this new phase of the pandemic. Driveway Labyrinth is perfect to play with balance, great to play with orientation, useful to enhance the perception of the body in large space, fantastic if you want to set up a STEAM activity outdoors, ideal for learning social distancing. This is what we need: chalk, a driveway, responsible drivers. Here is how it works. Find the time to have a walk on your own. Enjoy the sensations along your journey and embody the curiosity of your children. Then, let them experiment. Remember, the Driveway Labyrinth is not a competition. There is no right or wrong way to explore a labyrinth. Please take photos and videos of your driveway labyrinths and post them all over social media by quoting @Embodied Learning and #Embodied Learning so I can follow your progress. I need to get 500 subscribers as soon as possible, so please press this button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Be safe, always wear face covering when you're outside, and wash your hands as soon as you come back home. I'll see you next time. Cheers!